everyone. I'm here with another pen unboxing from Pelikan. I seem surprised because I forgot I had ordered this pen. This is from Pen Heaven, the same pen place that I purchased my M400. This is a little more subdued, a little less expensive, but I was looking on their website at other pens and following the purchase of my M400, and I saw this one and I thought, well, that would be a nice complement to my other pen and a nice way to try out a different type from Pelikan. So let's go ahead and get in here. So this probably isn't going to come in as nice a box, although I don't know, looks like a pretty nice box. Okay, so that's the external packaging and another little card from Pen Heaven. And okay, so I think we just pull that out like that. Well, that's pretty too. Such a pretty little package. Oh, it looks like this does not have the little button in the front, and it looks like this package is made out of a different, less expensive material. It looks a little cheaper made, which makes sense given the cheaper nature of this pen. So, this is an iconic blue. So originally I was thinking that I would get an M200 because I had heard that they were also good, even though the nib is not gold. But when I was looking for that, I saw this one and it really appealed to my retro sensibility. So I went ahead and got this one. And I don't think they ever made this blue pen, but the blue is iconic to Pelikan, I think. So let's go ahead and take a look here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can get a good look at the pen. Okay, so let's see. So it is a piston fill, just like the M400. I'm going to try it. Oh, and the mechanism is just as smooth, I would say. So that's promising. And the bit that you turn to get the piston mechanism to work has a little tiny depression here where it starts. So it's pretty easy to figure that out. And then it has a somewhat clear or clearer blue window here for you to see the ink. And the nib, because this is a special edition, even though it is not a gold nib, does have special printing on the nib. All right, because normally with the M200s, the nib is very plain and it doesn't really have anything on it. And supposedly this is very similar to that nib, so it should have a little bit of flex. Yeah, I can feel it as I'm pushing it into the table. I'm not doing it too hard so that I can see, but I can feel that it does have a little bit of flex. And that's part of why I wanted the non-gold version, is because it is supposedly a little bit flexy, which I like, and I wanted to try. And I did kind of want to see what the non-gold nib wrote like. So I don't have my ink handy. That I just got this pen and figured I would do a quick unboxing, but I am going to, I also have not selected an ink yet, so I have to figure out which ink I want to do. I have just kind of decided that I want to go matchy-matchy with most pens. The exception would be things like a pink pen. I might not use pink ink in, but I might use something that complements it. Or, you know, obviously clear or black pens, all bets are off and you can put whatever you want in there. But this, I think I'm going to try to a certain extent to match this blue if I can. I'll see what I have. If I don't have anything that'll match, I might go astray a little bit in color, but we'll see. All right, well, that's it for today. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye.